Bullish Iotex cost expectations range somewhere in the range of 13 cents and 26 cents by 2030. Market experts accept Iotx could reach 10 cents by 2025. Bearish Iotex market cost expectation for 2023 is 2 cents. Iotex presentation. Iotex, in the same way as other crypto projects that held such a lot of commitment in the past, encountered a downtrend in June 2022. As innovation develops lately, the need to make a convergence between the advanced world and the actual world increments. Nonetheless, because of the exceptionally adaptable nature of innovation in the web, contest in this specific area increments. The fight becomes who can present and market preferred, generally speaking, over which venture can be more productive. That is the reason many accept that Iotx's victories are simply promotion and that their utilization case isn't as flexible and very much incorporated into the world they're attempting to address. We have gone through every one of the signs that could validate these affirmations or misleading. Is Iotx as cutting edge as they present to us, or is it won't get by over the long haul? Is it a wise speculation as long as possible? How substantial is their future guide, and what are the cost conjectures for the token? What is Iotx, the coin for the machine economy? Iotx is the protection-driven and decentralized blockchain network that is pushing the story of individual information control and democratization, gadget computerization, and reconciliation of the advanced organization, metaverse, and the actual world. They're fabricating a framework that permits the connection of machines and market members while creating simpler and quicker techniques for security safeguarding and front-running the coming of Blockchain 3.0. Iotx is the local badge of the Iotx network that was made on the possibility of information security and control. One of the many issues of the web is that following of data is uncontrolled, which numerous people view as a break of their protection and control. Iotx is set to act as a stage that gives the clients a command over the inflow and outpouring of information from their gadgets. This means that they're permitted to control what befalls their own data while gaining by it. Iotx component of activity. To comprehend the capability of Iotx, one needs to know its method of activity and model design. In any case, for most signs, Iotx gives off an impression of being a symbolic that is vigorously impacted essentially because of the relative multitude of exercises played by its driving group to keep up the energy in the undertaking. The Iotx token is based on a deflationary model, which implies that the stock of Iotx will diminish after some time as additional gadgets and more gadgets enter the organization. This implies the worth of Iotx constantly increments as long as the interest for it stays predictable. 2 consume drops are shipped off Iotx stakes as additional members join the environment. The primary consume drop was on the 3rd of November 2021. This action prompted a gigantic siphon in the value level of Iotx, which spiked over 100% in a day. The worth of the coin rose from 7 cents to about 16 cents that very day. This was the biggest siphon in the environment since its beginning in 2018. In any case, after the cost top at that level, the cost spiraled downwards, losing around half before very long, and by February 2022, Iotx was underneath its underlying cost level before the spike. Iotx current cost. Iotx is at present worth 3 cents USD. Iotx has moved 6.36% as of now, with an exchanging volume of $15,095,672. Iotx is at present positioned 117 among all cryptographic forms of money, with a market capitalization of $272,148,966 USD. Using the general strength file, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal, and moving normal intermingling to similarity from the graph above, we can decide cost designs for Iotx to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation estimates utilize constant Iotx market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost expectations in light of current market movement. Iotx value forecast 2023. Iotx, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding digital forms of money to rise this year. The Iotx cost figure for 2023 expects a critical expansion in the year's last part, potentially coming to 4 cents. Likewise with other digital currencies, the ascent will be continuous, however no impressive drops are normal. Averaging 4 cents in cost is very aggressive, yet it is possible sooner rather than later given expected coordinated efforts and headways. Iotx is supposed to have a base worth of 3 cents. Iotx value expectation 2024. In 2024, Iotx cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the likely declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of Iotx will before long outperform 7 cents. In any case, we ought to hold back to check whether the Iotx's general strength file emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, Iotx will exchange with a base exchanging cost of 6 cents and a typical exchanging cost of 6 cents. Iotex value forecast 2025 in the event that the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach 10 cents and Iotx might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. Iotx is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of 9 cents and a low of 9 cents in 2025. Iotex value expectation 2026. Assuming that Iotex effectively supports market opinion among cryptographic money devotees, the Iotx coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Iotx will be green in 2026. The Iotx is supposed to reach and outperform its untouched high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual cash will be valued at 13 cents, with a base cost of 12 cents and a typical cost of 12 cents. Iotex value forecast 2027. After some broad gauging and specialized examination, we gauge the Iotx cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of 16 cents by 2027, with a base cost of 15 cents anticipated before the year's end. Besides, Iotx has a most extreme value worth of 16 cents. Iotx value forecast 2028. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around 19 cents. In the event that Iotx figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a greatest cost of 20 cents. Neglecting to accumulate the help Iotx needs by 2028 could bring about a low of 18 cents. Iotx value expectation 2029. While Iotx is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry connection, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been put at 21 cents and a yearly cost close above 23 cents in 2029. Iotx value forecast 2030. By 2030, Iotx will at long last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost level. The base cost could be 24 cents and possibly arrive at a greatest value worth of 26 cents, averaging out at 25 cents. Iotx value expectation 2031. The digital currency market is known to be profoundly unpredictable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost determining is a troublesome undertaking. In 2031, we are anticipating that digital money should have acquired reception across numerous areas. Thusly, the most extreme Iotx cost in 2031 is projected to be 30 cents in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of 29 cents. What is the Iotx cost today? Today, Iotx is exchanging at 3 cents with an all-out market capitalization of $272,148,966. Is Iotx a wise speculation? Iotx ended up being one of the most discussed coins in the crypto space this previous year. How high might Iotx at any point go? Over the course of the following 5 years, it is projected